Namaste and welcome back to Quiz Lifestyle Vlog. Today, we take you on a mesmerizing journey to the sacred banks of the river Ganga, where the divine Ganga Arati at Arial Ghat unfolds in all its spiritual glory. Stay with us as we witness the enchanting rituals, the glowing lamps, and the soulful chants that make this experience truly magical. Arial Ghat, settled on the sacred banks of the river Ganga, is a hidden gem where spirituality meets serenity. This ghat holds historical and cultural significance as devotees have been offering prayers here from centuries. The Ganga, revered as a mother and a goddess, is believed to wash away sins and bring blessings to all who seek her divine presence. Every evening, as the sun sets, priests dressed in traditional saffron attire gather at the ghat to perform the sacred Ganga Arati, a powerful ritual dedicated to goddesses Ganga. The rhythmic chants of mantras, the fragrance of incense, and the synchronized movement of lamps create an atmosphere filled with devotion and divine energy. As the Arati begins, the entire ghat comes alive with golden flames flickering in the night sky. The priest holds large brass lamps known as deepams and move them gracefully in unison, offering their prayers to the holy rivers. Devotees with folded hands and eyes filled with devotion chant along, immersing themselves in the spiritual vibrations of the ceremony. The air is filled with the melodious sounds of conch shells and bells, blending with the rhythmic chants of Hare Hare Gange and Jai Ma Ganga. Thousands of diyas are set afloat on the river, creating a breathtaking view as they drift along the sacred water, carrying the prayers of countless devotees. Ganga Arati is not just a ritual, it's a symbol of gratitude to the holy river that sustains life. People believe that attending the Arati cleanses the soul, removes negative energies, and brings peace and prosperity. The sacred fire, the flowing water, and the divine chants together create an atmosphere where one can truly feel connected to the divine. Whether you are a believer or a traveler seeking tranquility, the Ganga Arati at Arial Ghat is an experience that leaves an everlasting impression on the heart and soul. Music has always been a bridge between the human soul and the divine. At Arial Ghat, every evening the air resonates with the enchanting tunes of bhajans, devotional songs, and classical ragas performed by dedicated musicians and temple priests. The rhythmic beats of the tabla, the melodious strains of the sitar, and the deep vibrations of the conch shells create a mystical aura that touches every heart presence. This traditional composition, often dedicated to Lord Shiva, goddesses Ganga, and Lord Vishnu, are not just songs but prayers woven into melodies. Whether it's the soul string rendition of Ganga Stuti on the powerful chanting of Om Namah Shivaya, the music here is a sacred offering, a sound of devotion carried by the holy river itself. Arial Ghat is not just a place of ritual, it's a center of spiritual enlightenment. Here, sages and the priest engages in deep discourses on life, karma, and the teachings of ancient scriptures. One of the most profound messages often shared in these lessons of the Ganga itself, a symbol of purity, selfness, and continuous flow. A revered saint once said, like the Ganga, never stop flowing forward, face obstacle with grace, cleanse yourself of negativity, and keep moving towards your higher purpose. Such wisdom reminds us that life is ever chanting, and just like the river, we must learn to embrace every twist and turns with faith and devotion. Real Ghat is a place where the mind finds peace, the heart finds devotion, and the soul finds liberation. Whether you come here to meditate, listen to divine music, or seek guidance from learned masters, this place has a way of filling you with serenity and spiritual strength. If you ever find yourself a real Ghat, take a moment to close your eyes, listen to the sacred chants, and feel the energy of the universe flowing through you. The experience is behind words, is something that must be felt deep within. Thank you for joining on the spiritual journey at Arial Ghat for Ganga Arati. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quiz Lifestyle Vlog for more divine experiences. Until next time, stay blessed and keep exploring the beauty of faith and tradition. Har Har Gange. Thank you so much.